you guys, and welcome back to Limitless Creations with Kimberly. You want to learn how I do this quick and easy crochet install? Stay tuned. I've got you covered.
Hey. 1 2 1 2. Here we go. It's my time to rise. It's my time to shine. It's my time to live. It's my time to fly. It's my time. It's my time. I can see it. I can feel it. Time has come now to reveal it. I've been waiting for a long time. Gotta do it.
Hi you guys, it is wash day. I just finished washing my hair. I put in some leave-in conditioner. I actually use the Silk Elements Jojoba Oil Leave-In Conditioner with biotin and silk. If you can see that. And I went ahead and detangled my hair. And this is all the shedding that I got, you guys. Isn't that awesome? So as you can see, I definitely have some texture going on here. I am 2 months post relaxer, and I'm actually trying to stretch my hair until July. So I have no problems when I'm detangling. I don't have a lot of shedding going on. I also take a garlic supplement, which is supposed to be really good for helping with shedding. And I also have some garlic shampoo, well, it's conditioner, that I also use in my head and my hair from time to time. So it's really been helping. Woo! Itching! And so I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry it and let you see how it looks after that. What I'm going to be doing today is actually installing some Senegalese twists. I know you probably can't see that. There you go. I actually have 3 packs of this. It's the, let's see, who's this by? It's the True 3 Times or Motown Tress. Not sure, but this is typically the pack that I get when I go to my local beauty supply store because it does come with 81 braids. It comes with more crochets than most packs. So I get this, and I only got 3 because I like the fullness of the pack, but I don't want, I want a full look, but I don't want the weight of having too many crochets in my head. So stay tuned and let's get started. So I am back. My hair is completely dry. I blow dried it. I put some coconut oil on my hair, and on my scalp I use some good old time fashion Softy, the Indian hemp hair grease. Classic oldie but goodie. I really want to make sure that my hair, my scalp is moisturized because I am going to braid it to put the crochets in. So I definitely want to make sure that I lock in that moisture. And as you can tell, my hair is thick, you guys. It's really thick. I'm actually grateful that it is. And you can also tell, look, that there's some different textures going on in my hair. The new growth is real. And one thing that I am noticing as I'm on this journey is that my edges are hard to manage, you guys. Of course, with the hair that is relaxed, that's chemically treated, you know, I can still make that work, especially when it's flat iron. I don't have a problem. It looks completely different than this. But with these edges, oh my goodness, trying to wear a ponytail to just 1 2 3 because I don't feel like doing it to my head is rough on me. Or anytime, because I do like to work out, that I get some moisture on these edges, it is a wrap. So that's going to be really interesting in trying to allow my hair to, or stretch my perms for the next, 3 months, because it's April right now. But we'll see. I'll get through it day by day. I'm really excited to see how much my hair is going to grow. In the meantime, I went ahead and separated my hair into 2 parts so I can start my braiding pattern for these crochets. And let me just go ahead and show you. Let me try to get all the hair that I can to give you a true true results, I guess. I don't know. But like I showed you earlier, shoo, look at my head, y'all. This is how much shedding I got when I was detangling my hair. I don't want it to fall. Versus when I blow dried my hair, because I did comb it out with my wide tooth comb. This is how much shedding I got. Just that much. So when I can, I'll definitely go ahead and get my ends trimmed because it needs it. But as far as shedding and detangling, my hair is in a good state for that. So I'm grateful. So that to me isn't a lot. But let's get started. I'll do my braiding pattern and then I'll show you what it looks like when I get back. Alright, so all the braiding is done, as you can see. It's all braided. Let me give you a quick spin around so you can see the back. It doesn't have to be fancy, you guys. It just needs to be braided so you can go ahead and get them crochets in. And I'll do my install and I'll be right back and show you the pattern. Guys, so just a little tip. When I'm doing my crochets, I actually like to do my edges first. And I don't go all the way back. That's why I like when I'm braiding my hair, I like to slick it down. So it'll look slick and it'll look like it's my hair right here. And then I do my crochets on top. But I always like to make sure that my lining's gonna look good, so I do it first. So when you're installing your crochets, okay, so when you're putting your latch, okay, so you see you're gonna hook your crochet under the loop, into the loop that's right there. And when you have your needle pointing down, make sure you close the latch to bring it back through. Take it right here, close it, and pull it through. But when you're doing it with your loop, with this part down, it's going to make your knot come at the back. You see that? Versus if you have your hook. And I actually like to layer mine, you guys. So like I said, I like to have it full, but I don't like it heavy. So I like to layer it. So we have our top one. This one's in between. So I'm going to put the next one in the space. You see? So it's still going to lay. I'll actually put another one right here because this is going to be at the crown of my head and you would see it. But this is how it's going to look because it's best to show you here. So I've taken the hair under the braid with the hook. I've latched the crochet on there. I'm going to close the hook and bring it through. Then we can open this again, slide through, hair, close, insert, and just slide the knot down. But like I said, look, see, your knot is underneath, so there's not big knots showing. And I just wanted to show you, I am going to have to cover this right here because like I said, it's the crown of my head and you will see this. But typically throughout the rest of my hair, you can kind of see it right here. I'm going to be layering it. So I have a crochet. There's a space because I'm putting the next crochet on the next braid, but in that space. So it lays flat, but you know, it allows me to use less hair and still get a full look. But that's what I'm going to be doing all throughout my hair. That's why I braid my braid pattern is the way that it is, so that I can layer it to get that look. But I just wanted to show you guys that layering technique, you are free to do it whichever way you like. But once again, because this is where my crochet lays, I'm going to go right after that, loop it through, close, pull, open, slide, close, pull, and pull. And that's how I'm going to layer it. But I always do the base of my hair. Well, not the base, but I always do the front first. Hook down. Bam. Close, pull, open, slide, close, pull. And there we have it. And I'll just show you this one, and then I'll just show you what it looks like in the end when I'm finished. In, close, slide. And when I actually learned how to do my crochets from another YouTube video, another YouTuber, and I could not figure it out for anything, you guys. I was so frustrated. The frustration was real. But with a little practice, it's super easy. So right here, hook. My nails got in the way, but you can see it. You can get the gist of what I'm doing. Pull. And we in there. Last one. And I'll just show you the final results. I don't know if I like the way that lays right there, so I might switch that up, but I'll be back. Get up. This is the finished product. Here's the back. And I didn't have a mirror to actually look at to do the back. I just felt the braids and went down and inserted it that way. Look, you see Fluffy in the background on the floor. But this is how much hair I have left in my third pack. And let me go ahead and tell you the color. The color is T430. And I actually have two of those. I have two of the T430, and the lighter color that's in the front is actually the color 30. So 130 and two T430s, and this is how much hair I have left. And this is my end result, you guys. Like I said, it is layered, so I didn't have to use a whole lot of hair. You see where my spaces are, and my crochets in the next row lay down completely. Well, it lays down flat. I might add an additional one right there, maybe one or two, but I'm cool with it being imperfect. But this is my final look, you guys. This is my crochets. It didn't take 2 hours. It didn't even take, it may have taken like an hour and 20 minutes. I don't know. I just had my music on and I was just putting them in, taking my time. But this is my final look. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.